If you've recently purchased a new home or you're reviewing your existing policy, you might have questions about why your insurance coverage doesn't match your home's market value. So let's break down why your coverage may differ and how much home insurance you need. When you purchase a home, you'd expect your insurance coverage to equal what you paid, right? Well, it's a bit more complex than that. At Vermost Insurance Agency, we know how the homeowner's insurance process works, and we're here to explain why your coverage amount may not always align with your home's market value. First, let's cover what's included in a standard homeowner's policy. Your insurance protects you from disasters like windstorms, hurricanes, lightning, fire, theft, and more, depending upon the specific coverage that you select. A typical homeowner's policy has 4 essential parts. The dwelling coverage, which protects the structure of your home and attached structures like a porch or a garage. Your other structures, which covers detached structures like sheds, pools, or fences. And 3, your personal property. It insures all your personal belongings inside of the home. And number 4, the loss of use. This pays for living expenses if you've been displaced due to damage. But why doesn't your dwelling coverage always match the market value of a home? The difference lies between the market value and the replacement cost of your home. Market value is the current selling price, which includes depreciation, land value, location, and market conditions. Replacement cost is the expense of rebuilding your home from scratch, excluding the land cost. To determine your replacement cost, most insurance companies use an estimator tool that factors in square footage, type of materials, style, and location. An inspector then verifies everything, and they adjust your policy accordingly. Your policy is reviewed annually, often increasing by 3 to 4% to keep up with inflation in labor and material costs. So what if your dwelling coverage is lower than the market value? No worries, you paid for your land, but insurance doesn't cover that. Your dwelling coverage ensures you're set to rebuild. But what if it's higher? Sometimes you simply got a great deal, or the property value was affected by the location. In these cases, the cost of rebuilding the structure might exceed what you paid for the property. No matter your situation, we will guide you through finding the right policy that fits your needs and budget, helping you understand your dwelling coverage and its true value. Contact one of our trusted insurance advisors today to learn more at 727-748-2886.